Assalamu alaikum. I am Gazala. Today I am going to discuss about the topic that is networking for class 8th. I'll be telling you what's a computer network, what are the advantages of a network, and what are the disadvantages of a network. My dear listeners, first I will be telling you what's a computer network. Computer network is a group of computers and other computer related devices connected together to share hardware, software, and data. For example, a network of few computers, a scanner, and a printer in an office. In this picture here, you will see there is a network where a group of computers and other network devices are connected to each other. I'll be telling you first there are some hardware resources, a scanner here and a printer that are to be shared by different computers in this network. There are also some other devices, a router that's used to route the data across different parts of a network. There is also other device called switch. Switch connects computers to each other. When a switch receives a packet of data, it determines what computer or device the packet is intended for and sends it to that computer only. There is also one main device called server. Server is used to send the data to all computers in the network, and those computers are called clients. In a network, computers and other related devices are connected to each other through some communication media. The communication media may be some cables, telephone lines, radio waves, etc. In this picture here, you will see the different types of cables that are used to connect the computers and other devices in a network. The first one you can see there is coaxial cable, twisted pair, and fiber optic. Now let's move to the advantage of a network. As you can see here in this picture that there are various advantages of a network. In a network we can communicate with each other. We can share the same software on different computers in a network. We can share files, we can share information, we can share data, we can share hardware. Let's discuss them one by one. The first one is share hardware. In a network, we need not to have a printer, a scanner for every computer. We can connect a single printer, a single scanner to all via network, which will reduce hardware cost. For example, in this picture here you can see there is a single printer that is to be shared by every person in this network. Likewise, they can use a scanner. Now, the second point is remote access. We can access our data from anywhere in the world. For example, we may be out of our country. We can access our data anywhere, provided we are connected in a network. The third point is high reliability. You know that, as I told you, the network is basically the group of computers and other devices connected together in order to share information. Sometimes, if the data gets lost on one computer, we can retrieve that data from other computer in a network. Now, the fourth point is we may have the efficient use of storage, provided we need not to place the same data on all the computers. This will save a lot of storage in a network. Now let's move to our last topic, that is disadvantage of the network. The first one is that network installation and maintenance is expensive, as it requires the additional devices like cables, wires, routers, modems, repeaters, connectors, and it also requires a skilled person. By this way, it becomes expensive. The second point is social problems. With networking, any baseless or false message can be sent easily to entire world. For example, we know that sometimes the updated notifications, some news on Facebook may be fake, may be baseless. Now the last point is hacking. Computer network is prone to hackers. Any shortcoming in security may allow hackers to carry away or damage important information. For example, hackers may expose our email addresses, our passwords, our account details, our bank details, etc. This was all from me today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.